Business Management, Ansoff Matrix Case Study. Mr. Mark owns a medium-sized, connect-fast, mobile handphones retail shop which sells sleek brand handphones. Currently his monthly sales revenue is around $10,000. Mark has 2 employees who assist him in product display, inventory management, product demonstration, and billing in the shop. The demand for handphones is growing very fast. To take the advantage of this fast-growing digital world, many new retail shops are also opening. This may affect the future sale revenue of Connect Fast mobile retail shop. Mark has met business consultant to discuss growth strategies. The business consultant shortlisted the following strategies. 1. Open a new retail shop in the busy central business district to take the advantage of growing digital world. 2. Introduce exchange offers and EMI schemes for existing customers. 3. Sign up for the dealership of other popular brands of mobile phones. 4. Sell mobile phones and accessories online through popular e-commerce portals like Clickcart and Mobile Bay. 5. Launch own new e-commerce website, along with physical shop, Connect Fast, and 6. Sell other electronics items like tablets, laptops, camera, etc. The exact business strategy depends on further market research and analysis. Students, in smaller groups, discuss the above-mentioned business strategies using Ansoff Matrix. Please subscribe to our channel to get all updates. Share this video with your friends. Thank you, and happy learning.